I'm Bart van Oudenhoven and I'm the plant director here in Mechelen. Growing up, I wanted to be a pilot. Before I worked at Kellogg, I thought that Kellogg was all about cereals, nothing else, but I discovered much more. I started my career as a process engineer. I also then got the opportunity to actually join Pringles in Poland, where I became the plant director. It was more startup project type of role, but then at the end 2 years assignment, and I returned then back to Mechelen, where I now am in the current role, plant director of the Pringles factory. A career in manufacturing is not what you expect when you start. You're hired in a certain function, a process engineering function, but later on, very quickly you see the different possibilities in manufacturing. We are working together here with 560 people. That's 560 different positions which can be filled in. So you start in a certain position, but you have a lot of possibilities to grow in and to learn in different, and it's not what you expect at the beginning. Kellogg's loves diversity and inclusion. I'm a great believer that diversity and inclusion not only delivers results, but it also makes people more engaged. I'm absolutely proud to work for Kellogg. When people in private ask you, what do you do? I make Pringles every day. Oh, you make Pringles every day? Can you get free Pringles every day? And can you eat as well? So that's where I know that there is not only the proudness about Kellogg, but also about the brands.